Gravity definitely is a force. And we have to understand what is gravity force and what is electromagnetic force. For 100 years, we are talking, or let's say in physics, you can read articles about the gravito-electromagnetism. There are certain ideas that gravity and electromagnetism are could be described with the same model, that this is something that is very close, these two forces, but they are not. What is very important to understand is that the gravity force is acting in 4 dimensions. Okay. And electromagnetism also is 4-dimensional force. We have to forget all about this space-time, time as a 4th dimension of space. This is the most damaging idea of physics ever. Universal space is time invariant. There is no physical time in the universe. In the universe, we have only change, but change happens in time invariant space that we experience as now. This superfluid space that in the old times was called ether is 4-dimensional, has 4 dimensions. And physical objects that are in this superfluid space are 3-dimensional. So this object is diminishing energy density of space in its center exactly for the amount of its energy. But we have to understand that this is 3-dimensional object and this object is diminishing a 4-dimensional reality. And the diminished energy density of space in the center is generating gravity force. This is not only, it's not generating only gravity, but also inertia. Inertial mass and gravitational mass have the same origin. And this is the diminished energy density of space in the center of the given object, because the outer space is pushing towards the center, and this is inertia. Note that inertial mass and gravitational mass are equal in Einstein theory. They also have the same origin. And here then we understand finally that inertial mass and rest mass are two different things. I've spoken about this before in previous videos. So, electromagnetism, we know that the photon has two components, electric component and magnetic component. Electric component is excitation of superfluid space of ether on the coordinates x1, x2, x3. And magnetic component is excitation of the same superfluid space on the coordinate x2, x3, and x4. So, gravity is carried by the variable energy density of space. And electromagnetism is excitation of space. Okay. So these ideas that we can put gravity and electromagnetism that we can treat as something very similar. This is false idea. Gravity force is present in the space. Gravity force is here, you see. If I put this here, it will fall because gravity is here. But gravity is not acting directly on this object. Gravity is acting on the diminished energy density of this object, and the object is following. This is very similar as in the Einstein relativity, that object is curving the space and is following the curvature of space. Object is diminishing energy density of space, and this generates gravity. So what is common to the gravity and electromagnetism is that they are manifestation of the same field of this superfluid time invariant space. Gravity is a variable energy density and electromagnetism is excitation. I hope this was helpful. Wish everybody good day.